Alright, welcome back everybody. So, we're talking about dividing with real numbers and finding those numbers in the real world, or the examples of dividing real numbers like we've been doing, is not as uncommon as you might think. So hopefully some of you enjoy sports. We're going to do a problem with volleyball. Okay, so I'm going to read this problem to you. It's going to explain a few things, and it's going to talk about how you're going to use these letters that we have behind me. Okay, so in volleyball, an ace is a serve that the opponent doesn't hit. So if the person hits the ball, goes over the net, and it hits the ground without the other team being able to hit it back. Ace efficiency is a measure of a player's ability to hit aces while minimizing service errors. Okay, so while a service error might be hitting the net if you hit the ball, probably a lot of us, if we did that, we would be hitting the net a lot or having a lot of service errors. The ace efficiency, F, is given by the formula that is right here. Okay, so this formula is used to find ace efficiency, where A is the number of aces, okay, and the number of service errors is E, and S is the total number of serves that that person will do. Okay, so calculate, find the ace efficiency for a player who has 108 aces. I'm going to put these by this so that we can follow along here. So 108 aces, 125 service errors, and 500 serves. Okay, so now working with the algebra, we have numbers that represent those letters. And so all we have to do is take these numbers and plug them into that type of formula right there and then solve. Okay, so I'm going to move this over just a little bit here. So if we were working with this, I have aces, which is 108. I'm going to replace this A with 108. I'm going to go ahead and set my line here. Now we have errors, which we have a subtraction. When you have a formula, the subtraction is going to stay there. Okay. We have a positive 125, but the negative is a part of the formula, and so it's going to be right there. This is going to be 125. Now, so S represents serves, which would be 500. So we'll substitute out the S. So now we're still looking for this person's efficiency, or F. We're trying to find that answer. Okay, now, you could do it a couple ways. We've been talking about in past videos of dividing both numbers, but because there is no variables that are missing, I would suggest just subtracting the top number. Now, if you did that, so it would be 108 minus 125. That would be a negative 17. If you're decent at a calculator, you can do that answer divided by divided by 500, okay? So negative 17 divided by 500. So you would have an efficiency of negative 0.034. In other words, I don't know if that's like really close, good, bad. I'm pretty sure you want to be in the positives, which means that you would have more aces than errors. Yeah, that would probably be most of us that we would be trying to hit that ball over the net. So there is a real world problem for you of being able to divide real numbers and being able to substitute in your numbers that they're giving you in a problem. All right, hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.